writing tip for 65 plus. The first and foremost thing that you need to understand is ഏതൊക്കെയാണ് high weightage task. You know that writing we have two questions, summarize written text and essay. അത് contribute ചെയ്യുന്നത് around 30 marks towards your writing. പക്ഷേ 60% of the marks comes from your reading and writing fill the blanks, write from dictation, listening fill the blanks and summarize spoken text. So ഇത് target ചെയ്ത് focus ചെയ്ത് പഠിക്കുക. The second is ace your spellings. Spellings is very important in your writing module. So spelling അറിയത്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ take a dictation and practice it on a daily basis. Third is how to work on your reading and writing fill the blanks. നമ്മളെല്ലാവരും ചെയ്യുന്നത് you will read the passage and you will solve. പക്ഷേ you have to read the passage and understand the meaning then solve the answer. You can do it. And the fourth one is write from dictation plays a important question in your PTE. That is the last question in listening and last question in your PTE exam also. അതിൽ time management is very important. You should have at least 5 minutes to solve that question. അങ്ങനെ if you have that amount of time you can relax and you can solve the question. Last but not the least is you should know how, where to use the template. Template നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് summarize spoken text and essayലാണ്. Summarize written textൽ template യൂസ് ചെയ്യത്തില്ല. പക്ഷേ template യൂസ് ചെയ്താലും you should add a good amount of content to your questions. So see you in next video.